So here's another fix and flip update from Metro Atlanta. So we fix and flip properties mostly in North Metro Atlanta, and this property is out from the city, not too far off the interstate that goes directly into downtown Atlanta. And so we're renovating this home. And the thing about the Atlanta market is that there are a lot of older homes. There's a lot of new construction that's going on, that has been going on, and that will continue to go on. But in a lot of areas, there are older subdivisions and older homes in the outlying areas that really are in need of a full renovation. And whole subdivisions, older subdivisions, where most of the homes will need renovation. So the aging housing stock nationwide, I think the average age is over 35 years old for single family houses in the United States, which has really put a lot of pressure on the market for new home construction. And yet new home construction is not keeping pace with the demand. So the age of the housing stock continues to go up in America, and the need to renovate older homes just makes a lot of economic sense. It provides housing, more affordable housing. So this house, as an example, is a 3,000 square foot house when we get done with this. 3,000 square foot of finished living space, 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. So this is considered above the median price point, above the average price point as well in the Atlanta metro area. It happens to be on a large parcel of land. It's several acres, but a lot of homes like this could be found on 1 or 2 acres. This has 6 acres, so that adds a lot of value to the property. But there's a lot of homes that are on a half acre in the metro Atlanta area that need this kind of renovation, where the whole thing needs to be gutted down to studs and rebuilt entirely with a new floor plan and everything new. And when I say everything new, I literally mean, except for the framing of the house, the wood framing of the interior of the house, the 4 walls of the home, stay original, and maybe, a wall or 2 in the inside. But what we like to do is gut it completely if we can. We remove all the electrical wiring, all the plumbing inside the walls, and we have a big open space, and we could redesign a floor plan to a modern standard. So Metro Atlanta is a great place for this. There's a need to do this to meet the demand for adequate housing and at an affordable price point. So we can do this at a price and resell it at a price for a profit that makes sense to us as investors. And the price point of this home will be less than if it was a new construction home. But this will be a like new home, but I think it has added value. We fix everything, and it's like new in every way, but there are some older components of the house, mainly the framing of the house. Sometimes we'll like the brick siding. This is a brick house. Those kinds of things bring a little bit of desirability to the home. It's not a cookie cutter home. It's more like a custom. We could kind of make a custom home out of our renovation project. So in my opinion, this has a lot of value. It makes the property more appealing to a lot of buyers that don't want to buy a cookie cutter home in large subdivisions that the builders are building. But again, the main thing is that housing is in demand, and these types of homes to renovate. For years to come, Metro Atlanta is going to have a great need for renovating homes. And I believe this is true in a lot of places in the United States. But Metro Atlanta is a huge area. There's a large housing stock that's older with homes that need to be renovated. So if you have any questions about this, if you want to know more about the Atlanta fix and flip opportunity and the fix and flip market here, feel free to call me, text me, email me. I'll be glad to talk to you about this.